Our food needs to be delicious and we need to save time and money. Lovelies, I brought you the simple, delicious sauce you need for your rice, bread, beans or yam. Let's get it started. That is the meat I'll be using. I have chicken and beef there. I've just added fresh garlic into it. I'll be adding fresh thyme and fresh oregano. If you have dried ones, it doesn't matter. Add to it and add any other herbs you are used to. All right, that is my diced onion. I'm going to add it into the meat now. I'm adding salt and I'll be adding seasoning to it. I'm using Knorr. After that, I'm just going to add a small curry into this. I'll be adding black pepper, and what I have here is a bit of water, not much water. I'm now going to cover it and bring it to a boil. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. I'll just open it, stir it well and cover and allow it to boil till dawn. That is it. The meat is now tender and soft. I'm just going to take it out of the meat stock. That is it. I'm going to keep this aside and look at this meat stock. We're going to use it later. What I have here is my bell pepper, tomatoes and onion. After blending it, this is what you're going to have. To save time, lovelies, I'm just going to do this to make it, like I've said, we're making a very quick one. I'm going to sieve out the water. Sieve it out. You can see you don't need to waste your gas or your kerosene. Okay, now pour vegetable oil into the pot you'll be using. I'm just going to fry this meat. This is not a must. All right, if you like it fried, fry it the way I'm doing. Otherwise, you can just use some boiled meat like that. Into the frying oil, I added some sliced onion to flavor it, to boost the flavor and the taste, of course. So I'm just going to flip it over and fry till everything is golden brown. So it's now time to take them out of the oil. After taking them out of the oil, you can reduce your vegetable oil if it is too much. What you need to get now is the tomato paste. I'm going to use this tomato paste and I'm going to fry it on the middle to low heat. I'll fry it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Yes, as you're frying, be stirring it. Don't let it get burned. So this is what you're going to have. After that, it's now time to get our roughly blended pepper. Look at it, lovelies. You're going to save a lot of time. And when you save time, you save money, because we sieved out the water in the pepper mix already. So it's going to fasten the cooking of the stew. I've just added chili flakes to make it spicy. I'll be adding some seasoning. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder into it. I added some salt. Feel free to add any herbs you're used to. It starts to be flavorful. All right, I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of our meat stock into it. So I'm just going to give it a good mix and allow it to cook on the middle to low heat. Please don't forget to be opening it and be stirring it. So I'm just going to continue cooking it on the low heat until the oils flows on top of it. Look at it. Yes, this is super fried, and it's now time to add our fried meat into it. The aroma I'm having here, lovelies. This is going to be yummy. So I'm just going to cover those meats with that pepper. Let them drink from that pepper. All right. So I'm going to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes on the low heat. All right. Now taste for salt and adjust to your taste. But what I have here is perfect. So, tra-la-la, lovelies. That is it. What do you want to rock this with? Thanks for watching.